Alright, this is the other part of the video, replacing the, doing a repair on the Y-pipe combination catalytic converter on a 2016 Subaru. I'm going to cover a few things that I did prior to this. Removing the heat shields, I didn't have to remove this one, but basically what you do to remove the heat shield is you take a pair of needle nose vice grips and you stick it on a nut, and then what you do is, prior to that actually, you can take it off here. What you do is you got to take a Dremel tool and you Dremel off the top of the bolts here, right here, so it's flush with it, that you can get to it. Then take a pair of needle nose vice grips and put them on a nut. That's what you do. I'm not going to do this because I don't have to. And then once you got that, that's already flat and cut off down to the nut head. And you take a drill with a center drill, an electric drill with a center drill, machine shop, and you drill straight into the center of the nut, and then you drill it out with a screw. You hold on to it so it doesn't spin with the vice grips. Now, one of the things about this is a factory cat replacement is about $900 to $1,200. This car has 250,000 miles on it, 260,000, so I'm not complaining much. This fix might put some undue stress on it, the way it's set up, because I've gone over the Bellows with it. We're going to take our chances on it. One thing is also too, this heat shield has this high density fiberglass. Make sure you wear a dust mask when working with this, because everything falls down on top of you regardless. And we got the heat shields here, as you can see. I'm going to be putting these back on, and they're like an armadillo basically. The ones on the end go first, and they overlap each other. They shiplap over it. And we're going to be putting in some 1/4-inch stainless steel bolts to lock it down.